Hello everyone, let me show you how to get rid of itchy throat and dry cough with 1 lemon, ginger, a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. With this recipes, you can be able to get rid of itchy throats and dry cough. So I will start by adding my grated ginger. This is my grated ginger. You need 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Then I will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 squeezed lemon juice. Have to stir. Then I will add a teaspoon of honey. This is my teaspoon of honey. So I have to pour hot water over it and allow it to sit for like 10 minutes. Okay, these are natural ways to get rid of itchy throat and dry cough. Very simple remedy. It's very powerful too.